Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair while it's still in a protective style. As you can see, my hair looks fresh. Yes, and this is because I've just had this in for a week. Yes, but I cannot skip wash day, so yes, we're going to be washing our hair. So today I'll be using the SheaMoisture line, the shampoo, the conditioner. No, I'm going to skip conditioner. So the shampoo and then the deep conditioner. If you've been following me for a while, you already know that I always do 2 lathers when I shampoo. So first, I drench my hair with warm water, making sure every braid is fully soaked. Then I go in with my first lather. Okay. Focusing mainly on my scalp, especially areas that feel itchy or dry. I gently massage the shampoo in using the pads of my fingers, to lift all the buildups and dirt. So now here's the thing, a lot of us tend to neglect our hair when it's in a protective style, but that shouldn't be the case. Protective styling doesn't replace hair care, not at all. Okay, it simply helps to reduce manipulation, combing every day, styling it every day and all that, yes, but it doesn't replace hair care. You still need to care for your hair and scalp as you normally would. Okay, all right, so yeah, I'm going to rinse my hair thoroughly and then so after rinsing thoroughly, I go in with my second lather to make sure my scalp is fully clean and refreshed. Okay, yeah, so I do the same thing, paying attention to all the areas that feels itchy or dry. Okay, yes, do it gently so that you don't mess your braids up. Okay, yeah, once I'm satisfied, I rinse again and I move on to deep conditioning. So today I'm skipping conditioning. Okay, something I don't usually do, but because I'm in braids and I will not be doing any detangling, I don't think there's any need for conditioning. Okay, so that is why I will be moving straight to deep conditioning. Okay, so yeah, I towel bleach my hair to remove excess water. Then I'll make my hair ready for the deep conditioning. So I'm using the SheaMoisture deep conditioner, which is super rich. It smells absolutely amazing and I love it so much. I applied generous amounts onto my hair, making sure to get in between the braids. Okay, and then I focus on my scalp as well, not forgetting my ends. That is the oldest and then the weakest. Okay, so even in braids, make sure you are paying attention to it. Once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my plastic cup and then I'll sit under the steaming cup for about 20 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes, yeah, to let all that goodness soak in. So after 30 minutes, I rinsed out the deep conditioner. This time using cool water. Okay, remember, cool water helps to close your hair cuticles and lock in all that moisture. So always remember to rinse out your deep conditioners with cool water. So after rinsing it out, I go in with my microfiber towel, and then I shower and let my hair air dry a bit. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going in with my Cream of Nature liquid leave-in conditioner. It's light and very moisturizing. Okay, so I spray a little amount all over my hair. Mostly I would do the leave-in, and then the next thing will be my oil. Okay, but this time around, because I have a little bit of new growth, I went in with my Auntie Jackie's Seal It Up hair butter. Okay, yes, I went in with that one. It's a butter although, but it's very lightweight. So I went in with that, and then applied it generously all over my hair. So the next thing will be oiling my scalp. Okay, so this is a blend of jojoba oil, avocado, and a little bit of castor oil. Yes, these are lightweight oils, and it helps with the scalp. I'm going to use the same thing, for my sealing as well. So yes, so I applied, and then I give it a good massage, and that is it. Okay, so So you see, washing your hair in a protective style isn't too much work at all. The last thing you want to do is neglect your hair while it's in a protective style. Okay? Yeah. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then like, share, and subscribe. Okay? And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Be good and bye.